So this here is a demonstration of our window washer project. I'm going to be going over all of our mechanisms one by one. So this is the mechanism which actually anchors the bot over to the window. If you can visualize this, this is like supposed to be the two suction cups are going to attach here, and then this thing is going to lower onto a window. Say if you assume the window to be here, this is going to lower onto the window, and then we're going to engage the suction cup so that it attaches firmly in place. So for moving this, we used essentially a 4-bar linkage. I'm going to control it here, and you can see here that it goes down, and then we can just engage the attachment particle. Okay, and then I can also retract it back. I can do this fast based on what kind of speed I need. Okay, good, this works. Now let's move on to the next system. This system actually senses the motion of one of the legs of the window washer. So I have 3 LEDs here. There's a white one, a red one, and a green one. So what this is supposed to do is when there is no motion of the leg, the white LED is supposed to light up, and when it's moving away, the green LED is going to light up, and when the object is going closer to the sensor, the red LED is going to light up. So let's do a test here. This is my object. Right now it's stationary, so that's why the white LED is on. So let me move it away. So you see the green LED lit up for a moment there. So this sensed that something was moving from the it, and when the motion stopped, it returned back to its neutral state of white. Now I'm going to move it closer and see what happens. So the red LED lit up for a little bit, and then that meant that something in front of the sensor was moving closer, and then again it returned to its neutral state of no motion, and then we have a mechanism to determine whether or not our arm is moving, and once we have reasonably determined the position of the arm based on where we need it to be, and then we can just engage the window suction cup mechanism so that the bot sticks in place. Cool. Now let's move on to one of the mechanisms here, which actually demonstrates how the arm is going to extend. So let's power this on here first.
But the thing which we will have would be like it would be fixed at this distance,
Jake?
and when it's winding, it will go like this, and when it's winding, so this part is not moving now, neither this part is moving, and if you fix this part and this.
Cool. Okay, so this was a simple systems demonstration of how we're using a rack and pinion to actually move one of our arms forward and backward. We're going to use the systems we just demonstrated before, and here you see is one of the ultrasonic sensors, which is going to sense how close this end of the bot is to the edge of the window, and then when it when it reaches predefined distances and when it's moving or not moving, based on the inputs of all those values, we can actually decide how far we want this to move out and in, and when we want this to anchor down onto the window surface. So this was a basic systems demonstration. Hopefully we can keep you updated. See you next week.